I have amazing news for you. It's 2022 and we are bringing back Wellness Matters. Hi, I'm Jody from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, and I am so thrilled to be here with you today to tell you that we have our epic Wellness Matters speaker series coming back next month. Hopefully you attended one of our Wellness Matters events in the past, and we kind of took a hiatus during the COVID era, but now we've decided to bring it back, and it's starting in February. On February 17th at 6 o'clock right here in our office, you will have the opportunity to hear Vanja, who's going to talk about how wellness meets beauty. She has some amazing treatments and procedures that she does for hair growth, for skin tightening, to make you look and feel your absolute best, and they are really good for your body. So go ahead and click on the link, go to our page, check out a little bit more about what you're going to experience during this Wellness Matters event, and register. Please join us for our first Wellness Matters back here in 2022.